I have a feeling market's going to open and the SPY is just going to go straight down.
It did make me chuckle that he was calling out 396 as the low yesterday because of the amount of volume that had gone through. He didn't answer my question about whether it's left nostril or right nostril. That's very generous of you, JP, to put that down.
Of course, it's good for them, whoever.
Well, it doesn't. For the people that actually sort of do read it through, it just the context is useful.
Yeah.
What's going on? What the? Apple didn't even gap up for it to give up that much. It's already back to yesterday. Dang.
Shit, it's putting in some chunky volumes at the end of days, isn't it, Apple, when you scroll out for a few days?
Yeah. Sure has.
1 minute.
Oh, I can't stand Apple. I'm not playing Apple.
Well, even when it does move, it moves like $2. And it's like,
Yeah, it's not worth the freaking pain. The wiki little thing. All right. Good luck, Hamish.
You too. See you in a bit.
Go, Speed Racer. Hamish,
Yes.
buy everything.
I said I was only going to trade off the alerts today because I don't really like any of the stories. I'm watching CCJ and it's looking nice. Bubba's looking very nice shorts with a very nice ladder short. And Nike's not playing. Bubba's really struggling.
Ugh.
So are you short spy?
Of course.
Excellent, good man. You're in what, 394.76.
I'm at 394,669.
Okay, not bad as a guess.
How many shares?
512.
You got me by a little bit, just 467 for me.
Not bad. Not that we know you relatively well, it would seem.
We're both in the same tray.
Love it.
Woohoo! Hughes is very conflicted right now. It's trying to get a little push there. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. Let's see what it gets high of the day there. I think it might get a little better entry here.
Do you take it as a win when you look at a stock and you say that's the one I should be trading, but I decided that I was going to play it suitably cautious today?
Yeah.
I really want to say yes. So, I mean, CCJ had amazing earnings, and it's just going for it straight off R4.
This is amazing. My line that I had was at 394.96. It went up.
Oh! Did you get
that?
whipped?
Was my delineation line of where it should have reacted. It has to get above that. Wow, it's trying to. That's amazing. I'm just watching it sitting there right at that line that I have, my level.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just being rejected at it. Could have gotten a better entry, 394.96.
Oop, there's CLF.
There it goes. 394.96. Now we go back down to where we were. Everybody's going to look at that and go, oh, wait a minute. Oh, there was a sell. Okay, let's see what happens when it comes to the low a day. Back at VWAP. And I was basically hanging out at VWAP from 2 days ago. Yep.
It is interesting how the VWAP closes from previous days act as moments.
Trying to get the 395 hand. There's a good size order sitting right there. It's just trying to suck some of that up. Now it kind of transacted at 394.1. It moved up a little bit.
Hmm.
Okay.
What up, people?
Yeah.
I got my Apple on, so I'm just sitting back watching the queues do queues type things. Robin, you should have longed everything.
Yeah.
I
I love Microsoft. It got a little late, just around the opening print. It's working.
remember yesterday you were talking about I should just long freaking queues and buy now. You're going,
Yeah. If
no, it's
that
crazy.
was
I mean, at the end of the day, it was at like $2.95 yesterday. It's already up like $5. $6. Stupid. You see that squeeze happen after hours?
yeah.
Oh my god, I was like, the Bears are so mad right now. Just sitting there watching their portfolios just get squeezed.
Yeah, I was telling JP that all the options trader they cannot trade after market, so they're like, "Oh my god, first thing tomorrow morning, I'm gonna cover it, right?"
Yeah, exactly. And then you get
What happened?
that's that big squeeze. You know, everyone comes, the bag holders, one way or the other, they all get scared.
Where are my puts?
I gotta come and sell puts. I gotta cover my iron condor. I don't know. I'm just making shit up now.
It's not like you.
I don't know anything about options trading. I'm using words I've heard.
I love the monthly pivots.
Sounds really
Sure.
cool though.
Short
Okay.
X often alerts monthly R3 20.20, which is exactly the level it came to. My stop 1 cent above it.
Off X. Hold on. Let me see. Ah,
I'm not convinced yet. I'm currently half an hour in the hole.
it's cool, man. Right on.
Adding up.
So for any of the mentees from this morning are still hanging out and still in here. So how exact did the cues basically do what we were talking about this morning as far as how I talked about, we're going to be near mid value, right? So it's going to want to squeeze out to one of the edges, right? And or we're opening mid range, so it's going to want to squeeze out to the edges. And sure enough, I mean, everything basically did just that. Just ripped out and squeezed the other direction. It wasn't an immense amount of volume, so it's not like I read this as some kind of crazy rally, but what Robin was talking about is 100%, which is basically you have all of these traders who are watching their positions go negative. So as soon as they get in the morning, once the price dropped a little bit, they just took whatever loss they could and just called it done. And then that just initiates this massive squeeze like this. Here goes Q's. Look at Q's running out for 302 right now. Nuts.
Wow.
Wow. Volume on Q's.
Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
A little bit.
Okay. Check out the call from ENPH today.
I could kind of hear you there.
Check out the MPH made
The
a.
four fell out from underneath SPY.
Yeah, some crazy volume just hit Q's.
Same thing on SPY.
An alert
There
button.
was news scheduled at 10 o'clock. I can't remember what it was.
MU. Oh, you were saying MU earlier.
Yeah, MU on the back of the Texas Instruments.
Level 2 is a little balanced,
Um,
but I like the ISO pivot.
Biden has tested negative for COVID. That should push the market up. Pending home sales down 8.6% versus 1.5% expected. That was 7 minutes ago.
Okay. It's cool to sit there and watch the VWAP players and the 9 on the 20 and
Right?
everybody doing what they're doing.
You're just sitting back observing the show.
Mhm.
Freaking nailed that apple long. That was so sweet.
in a very tenuous position here because I had a really nice level at 394.96. We broke it, came back, tested VWAP, and pushed, but we're pushing right up into resistance.
It's that same level you were talking about, isn't it?
I can't. It's doing that W thing, but the volume at the top there was brutal. There's no way I could go long right now. Basically holding it, pushing at R6. This is just, can't do it.
I hate to say this, Phil, but you know how you can never see patterns? X reverse cup and handle developing now against S6 for a potential breakthrough on the back of news and an alert off S4 at 2012.
Oh yeah, I like the, it's basically.
I wouldn't trade a cup and handle, but I like the fact that potentially there's people out there that support the move.
I would if it was set up like this because I like how it has the indecision and then it makes that new daily low. Like that looks like a really nice spot to initiate a short. You know what I mean? Because I like that indecision and that failure. I mean, that's the thing, with these patterns. I mean, it's just helps people visualize. It's just I'm just thinking, you're now already starting to say, hey, if this does this, this, and this, it becomes a cup and handle, right? So you're already like ahead of the pattern, basically. So at this point, you're in the price action, right? So just we just do that.
Well, it's got support from CLF, which also had an alert, which has got a very similar pattern. Hasn't got great RVOL, only 63 on X rather than CLF at 98. Ladder looks like shit though. Bookmap is in support of me. Did you get many questions? I was so tempted to write on BBT. Phil, can we see your chart, please?
No. I should have. I'd be like, no.
You should have just responded, you're English, right? You know what the phrase is.
Exactly. No, exactly. You're just like, what? That's why this is so fun in this room, because we can just talk like real people.
ENDP at 10 million shares again.
Do you mean EMPH?
There is an ENDP as well.
Is there?
Yeah, that's Indo International. I haven't traded that one in a million years because it's a penny stock.
In 10 million, and it's straight sideways, and it says it's a 52% R vol.
All right, Q's getting out to the fourth levels.
Oh, I don't like this.
If you're using without pre-market data. Holy crap, look at these things go. Man, I guess I should have long Q's at some point, huh?
Nice dojis on SPY and Qs just now.
I'm watching ENDPH right now. It just hit a large ask at 250 and stalled at R4. I'm gonna probably short this thing. I don't have any ladder. No one shorted though. So I don't know. It's a fun spot though.
Wow, the big ask right now on SPY is at my level at 396.25. I don't think we're getting there.
Someone's coming after my trade.
You let the dogs out.
Woof, 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 woof. And my cats are running around the house going, there's a dog loose somewhere.
The cats are just freaking out. They're like,
Or
"Run
you see the
away."
call on ENPH. It was amazing this morning.
Yeah, did you get the bottom off of that thing off of S3?
I'm in the office, so I sim traded it on TradingView, but $20 run.
I wanted that thing. I saw it alert, and I was already getting into Apple, and I was like, oh, I kind of want to do 2, and it's shit. That's
When
awesome.
the alerts are so close to the S3 mark, it's like pretty, very, 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 very nice looking.
That was
And then you
beautiful.
got indecision, and then it just launched after it retook the open. Ooh,
Gorgeous.
nice. All right, John.
Gazoo's so over it. He's like ready to like not have a real job. He takes these contracts because he likes money, you know? Ugh, brutal. Oh.
Just shorted NVIDIA.
So we're kind of rolling the averages a bit on Qs now. There it goes. Hmm. Um, nice. Getting your Microsoft on. Let me see that. Okay, I see you. All right. We're crossing through the cloud too. So, I mean, this is at best we've lost momentum for sure.
Who's got a huge ask of what?
I like huge ask and I cannot lie.
I like my huge ask.
Yeah. Smack it.
Bot lovers.
Bot lovers.
Bot lovers. Okay. There's $600. Come on, NVIDIA. Show me you love me.
Show me how much you love me.